In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive files using Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a secure link from OneDrive, choose the right permissions, and send it clearly through your Gmail message. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser or the desktop app and signing in. Browse to the file or folder you want to share. Single-click to select it so you don't accidentally open or preview it. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct version or folder, especially if you keep multiple copies, because the link you create will point to exactly what you've selected. Next, look for the Share button. It's the icon that looks like an arrow leaving a box. You'll usually see it at the top toolbar or when you right-click the item. Click Share to open the sharing panel. Now configure the permissions. This is the most important part. Choose who can access the link. For broad access, select anyone with the link. If you want to keep it more controlled, choose options like people in your organization or specific people, which is best for sensitive files. Then decide whether people can edit or only view the item. Turn off editing if you are just distributing a read-only document or a final file. If you see advanced options like setting an expiration date or blocking downloads, use them when appropriate to add extra control. Remember, the permissions you pick determine what your recipients can do and whether they need to sign in. When your settings look right, click Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a unique URL and place it on your clipboard. You don't have to memorize it, just make sure you don't overwrite your clipboard until you've pasted the link into your email. Now head over to Gmail and sign in. Click Compose to start a new message. Enter your recipient's email address. Add a clear subject line and write a short note explaining what the link is and whether it's view-only or editable. Paste the link directly into the email body. If you prefer a cleaner look, use the Insert Link button to turn text like "View the file" here into a clickable hyperlink. Before sending, double-check that the link still works and that the permission choice matches your intent. If your recipient later tells you they can't open the file, revisit the OneDrive share settings and adjust access accordingly. That's it. Select Share. Set permissions, copy, and send through Gmail. Thanks for watching.